As recovery efforts for Hurricane Milton begin this morning, there is some help coming from our state. Jordan Bonke live in Flagstaff this morning as APS crews get ready to head southeast this morning. Hey, good morning, Jordan.
Good morning to you guys from a chilly Flagstaff underneath the San Francisco peaks. With these linemen here, they play more than just on Sundays. They're going to play every single day for the next month, as 30 crews here are going to be traveling over 21 hours here. Over 30 hours, 2,100 miles. And with me is Rob with APS. Rob, that's a pretty big venture. You're not going to be home for the next month, as you're going to go and restore power for the millions that have the power outages over there because of this hurricane in Florida. How are you feeling before you head on this big venture?
You know, I feel awesome. This team feels awesome. They are ready to go, and they're excited to be helping people out. 30
people are going to go from this crew here, but it's all over the state of Arizona. And behind me, we have what exactly here?
So we have a bucket truck on the front. This is actually where they do all the work when they get up in the air for the restoration of the lines. And we have a digger truck here. This is how they will move and place the pole, do the hole.
We're hoping for some cooler weather in the valley, but in Flagstaff, you guys get those frigid conditions, blizzard-like at times. How does the Flagstaff weather prepare you for a scenario like what you're about to embark on in Florida?
Well, actually, the beauty of these individuals, the linemen, they're working in numerous conditions in southern Arizona to northern. They are constantly aware of what's going on in the build they have, so they're preparing constantly.
And then what is the type of person, what is the temperament inside them that can do a trip like this? This is a long drive. This is going into dangerous territory, and they're trying to help people that they don't even know who are in desperate need of it. What type of person would you describe as doing this trip?
Well, I'll tell you, I'm really proud of these guys. They got the heart of a volunteer, and that's really what it is. These individuals are sacrificing their time away from their family and their home to help individuals that they don't even know in states that are multitude away from us.
Well, Rob, you're one of the people with APS that I want to thank. If you see a lineman, tell them you say thanks, because they're helping a lot of people in a dire time of need. We're live from Flagstaff this morning, where it is really cold. We'll send it back to you guys.
Well, certainly, compared to where we are, right, Jordan? But give those crews our thanks as well for all of their hard work. And you know that the moment folks in Florida see them, they are going to bring just so much relief their way. So thank you for that update.